Nice with it. Right. First question. T equals digits of the number. This is from set of the number 25,168. Express the elements of the set T.
Sir, questions ටික ලියන්න ඕනද?
Yeah. Of the set T in the curly bracket. Watakala curly bracket and provide the answer in the curly bracket. Right? That is the first one. Second one. Evaluate. (24) divide by 6 plus 14 divide by 2. Right? Third one.
So is it 12?
Shirat, මොකක්ද ප්‍රශ්නයක් ඇහුවද?
Also මේ විෂයේ බෙදනවා 6න් එකතු කරනවා කීයෙන්ද?
24 divided by 6 plus 14 divided by 2. කියලා මෙතන පේන්නේ නැද්ද? පැහැදිලි වදද?
Also
ඒ මොකද? කැම් එකේ යවුණාද නැත්නම් ඔයා ලැප් එකෙන්ද ජොයින් උනේ?
නෑ sir.
Right, okay. So how will it? Write the suitable number in the black box. (64) equals, this is the blank 4 to the power something, right? You have to fill the blank box, right? Fourth one. Write 2 equivalent ratios for (3 to 5). Right. Yes. Okay. Tell me, no need to send the answers, right? But it is okay to send, right? But try to write the answers, right? Where you write the question, right? Then check it with me, right? Right? Okay.
Finished, sir.
D equals digits of the number 25163, right? Digits of the
Sir.
number 25163, right? Express elements of the set T with a curly bracket, right? So if you want to write the elements of T, right, inside a curly bracket, right? This is the way that you are going to do. No element can be repeated, only unique elements should be written, right? So T equals open curly bracket. Here you have 2, comma, 5 is element, comma, 1 is element, comma, 6 is element, comma, 8 is also a element. Then close bracket. This should be the answer. Second one, evaluate 24 divided by 6 plus 14 divided by 2. Right? So if you are familiar with Bodmas, right? Bodmas, BODMAS, B means bracket, O means O of, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, then subtraction. Right? So bracket first, of second, division third, multiplication fourth, addition fifth, subtraction last. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the order that you need to do the operations, right? Mathematical operations. So in this one, we do not have brackets, we do not have ops. We have division 24 divided by 6, 14 divided by 2. So we have to first do this one and do this one, right? So this one, I am going to do the divisions first. 24 divided by 6, right? 4. Then positive, right? And 14 divided by 2, 14 divided by 2, 7, right? So then division is done. Are there any multiplications? No multiplication. Are there any addition? Yes, addition. So we have to do the addition, right? 4 plus 7, 11. So your answer should be 11, right? So you have to do the divisions first, then addition should be done at the final point, last point, right? Write the suitable number in the blank box. Write the suitable number in the blank box. 64 equals 4 to the power something, right? Indices lesson, right? So how do you write 64 as a power of 4, right? So base number is 4, right? How many times 4 should be multiplied in order to obtain 64, right? Let's see. 64 equals, right? 4 times 4. What is the value of 4 times 4? 16, right? Okay, 16 not equal to 64. I am going to multiply it by again 4, right? Okay, 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4. Let's multiply 16 times 4. 4 times 6, 24. Remainder is 2. 4 times 1. So 4 plus 2, 6. 64. So you have to multiply 4 3 times.
64.
Yes. 4 times 4 times 4. You have to multiply 4 3 times repeatedly. Right? So if you can remember, right, how many 4s are there? 3 4s, right? So your power should be, here you have 1 power, right? 4 to the power 1, 4 to the power 1, right? Then you can add them together. 1 plus 1 plus 1, because base is same, right? Base is same, right? You need to refresh your knowledge, right? Right? If the base is same, you can add the power, right? Base is 4, 1 plus 1 plus 1, right? 4 to the power 3, right? So the blank should be 3. Right? This blank should be 3. Right? Then write two equivalent ratios for 3 and 5. Right? So I am going to multiply this ratio, right, both sides by 2 first. Right? First equivalent ratio for 3 to 5. I am going to obtain. I am going to multiply 3 by 2. Right? 2, right, ratio 5 by 2. This is an equivalent ratio for 3 to 5. 3 times 2, 3. 2, 5 times 2, 10. Right? So second ratio, I am going to multiply this ratio by 3. Right? 3 times 3. And the 5, I am going to multiply it by 3 also. 3 times 3, 9. 5 times 3, 15. So these are two ratios that you can use. You can use any number to multiply. Right? You can use any number to multiply. Right. Fifth one. If 6 mangoes was 150 rupees, find the cost of find the cost of 3 mangoes. Right? Nine. Right? 81 as a power of as a power of 3. Right? Write 81 as a power of 3. Right? Write 81 as a power of 3. Tenth one. Sorry. This is 5. This is the sixth one. Huh? This is 7. Express uh, 1 liter and 50 milliliters in milliliters. Right? Express 1 liter and 50 milliliter in milliliter. Correct? Seven, eighth one. Find least common factor LCM. LCM of 4, 12 and 80. 4, 12 and 18. Right? Find the least common multiple. Right? So look at the book. Matakala liyanna ඕන පුතේ. Right. Guys, who left? Never know. I'm gonna remove it. Hiroshima නෑනේ. Right. Okay. Right. If 6 mangoes cost 150 rupees, right? So 6 mangoes 150. Mangoes cost 150 rupees. Right? So you know how to find the price of a one mango, right? So 6 mangoes 150 now. Then, right? How do you find for a price of one mango? Equals 150 rupees should be divided by 6 mango, right? In order to find the price of one mango, right? So price of one mango will be equal to 150 divided by 6. Right? 6 times 2, 12.
Sir, 25.
Yes, it's 25 rupees, right? Price of one mango is 25 rupees. Then find the cost of 3 mango, right? So price of cost whatever, right? Cost of one mango. Now cost of 3 mango. Right? Cost of 3 mango. How do you find this? One mango is 25 rupees. Right? 25 rupees. You are going to multiply this by 3. Right? 3 times 25, 75 rupees. Right? Write 81 as the power of 3. So the base is 3. Right? Base is 3. So I am going to divide 81 by 3. Right? 3 times 2, 6. Right? Then 21, 27. Right? Then again 27 divided by 3. 3 times 9, 27. Right? 9 divided by 3. 3 times 3. Right? Okay. How many 3s are there for? 81. Right? In order to obtain 81, you need to multiply 3 by 3 by 3 by 3. Right? 3 4 times. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Right? So the base is 3. Right? So as I told you earlier, right? Same base, right? Powers can be added, right? How many times the 3 has been multiplied repeatedly? 4 times, right? So powers can be added, right? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Or directly you can write, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 3 is then base is 3, right? 3 has been multiplied 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 3 to the power 4. Power of 3, right? 3 to the power 4. Power of 3, right? Okay. Express 1 liter and 50 milliliter in milliliter, right? 1 liter, you know, 1 liter included 1000 milliliter, right? So here 1 liter plus 50 milliliter. So that 1 liter plus 50 milliliter, right? 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter plus 50 milliliter, right? So let's add them together. 1000 plus 50. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 by 5, 0, 1050 milliliter. Then find LCM of 4, 12 and 80. Find LCM. So how to find the LCM? Least common multiple? This is the way, right? So you have to write 4, 12, 18 like this and divide all these three numbers by the smallest prime factor. So what is the smallest prime factor or the prime number? Prime factor 2. So until I get, right, at last until I get 1, 1, 1, I need to divide this, right, for the LCM, right? If you are finding the LCM, you have to divide it by until you get 1, 1, 1 at the end, right? Okay. 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 6, 12, 2 times 9, 18, then again I am going to divide this, okay, by 2, because 2 and 6 can be divided by 2, right? 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 3, 6, then the 9 cannot be divided, I am rewriting as 9, right? Then here 1, right, done, that is done. 3 and 9 can be divided by using 3, right? 1, right, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 3, 9, right? Again I have 3, so you have to divide one more time by 3, one more time. 1, 1, 3 times 1, 3, right? Okay. How do you write LCM? LCM can be written down as, right, 2 times.
So multiplying the divided numbers.
Yes, excellent. Multiplying by the divided numbers. 2 times 2 multiply by 3, right? And multiply by 3. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by, right? I will write it in the same row. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, right? So LCM will be 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12, 12 times 3, 36. So your least common multiple for these three numbers will be 36, right? Okay, guys. So we have discussed up to 8 questions. 8 questions discussed, right? So I'm going to end the session for today, right? And homework. You have to complete the cute that we discussed earlier.
Sir, 22.3.
No, all the rest of the questions, percentages, all percentage, all homeworks, right? All exercise, right? Percentages, all exercises you need to do, right? Okay, guys. So for today, I am going to wind up the session from here, right? So I hope you can understand the things that we discussed today, right? If you have any questions to be asked, right, you can stay and clear them out. So, guys,